Hi, I'm Karen Mai with Coldwell Banker. Today I'm featuring 2200 Gallup Boulevard, South San Francisco. Let's take a look. This beautiful building is called South City Light. There are 6 buildings and 280 unit total. The community amenity include a clubhouse, fitness center with a yoga room, playground, waterfall, and a daily BART shuttle. It is conveniently located across the street from Westborough Shopping Center. This space is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1,200 square feet. Corner unit is located on the first floor. There are many personal items because the owner is still living here. So use your imagination on how you would live here when you buy it. I hope you like this video. If you're interested in seeing this property in person, contact us. Thank you for watching.